Since 2010, there have been not one, but two waves of the opioid epidemic in the United States. In 2016 alone, we saw more than 20,000 fentanyl-related deaths. The impact, Agnes Winokur from the DEA says, can be felt from the scene to the labs.
What drugs are being analyzed in forensic laboratory has drastically changed in the last 10 years, mainly because of the opioid crisis and all the overdoses. It started around 2013, 2014 when CDC started to report a increase of about 70% of overdoses due to opioids, with fentanyl and fentanyl-related substances leading the way. One of the most significant changes we have seen in laboratory protocol is safety. So 10 years ago, you did not have the evidence specialists having to open packages inside a fume hood. Now our protocols require that, and that is because you want to take precaution that if there's a package that might have opened in transit by accident, that powder doesn't go into the atmosphere or someone get accidentally exposed. There was a 65% increase of fentanyl exhibits alone in 2015. In other words, the submissions that are being sent to forensic laboratories are polydrugs. So your fentanyl is not just with heroin, but is also in testosterone, with cocaine, with methamphetamine. And one of the largest areas that this has increased, manufacturing tablets. So you have a lot of counterfeit type tablets like oxycodone, that the logo may appear to be oxycodone type tablet, but it isn't. So I think that we can expect that in the next 10 years, there's going to be an increase of more synthetic type substances. These are completely new substances that, keep getting illicitly manufactured. And it presents major, significant challenges for the forensic scientists in the community to figure out what these things are and why people are dying.